All right, have you ever seen one of these on the ceiling? Maybe it's making a little bit of noise. This is what's called your bathroom vent fan. And the purpose of this is to suck smells and moisture out of a bathroom, especially after you shower. And the great thing about it, in this case, is there's no window to open in here, so you have to have one by code. I'm gonna get this installed, and then our electrician can make the connection. Air is basically sucked in, it goes through the pipe and then out through the sidewall of your house, and we put one of these sidewall vents. And it has louvers so water can't get in, and it allows nothing to get inside there. But there's also another damper located in the end of the fan that just flaps down when it's not in use to keep anything from getting through and also to keep weather from getting through. We prefer to use rigid pipe wherever possible. So this fan has two settings on it. It can be 80 or 100 CFM, which stands for cubic feet per minute. That may not sound like a lot, but if you let this running for 24 hours, it could move the equivalent amount of air of a house that's 18,000 square feet. That's how much air this would move in a 24-hour period. And remember, your heating and cooling costs are probably the highest energy bill you're responsible for with your house. So what you're doing is you're taking this conditioned air and you're dumping it outside. So you want to use it to get rid of the moisture, but you don't want to leave it on so long that it's just dumping that conditioned air. I love to put these on timers because then you don't have to think about the wasted energy. You just hit that for 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever it is, and it'll turn itself off. So putting the cardboard on is going to keep any excess dust that's in the air out of those fan blades. The cleaner those fan blades are, the more effective they will be at moving air.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.